Just talk. You're not ready yet.
We're gonna make Play-Doh. Yeah. KK, right here.
What you about to do?
Make Play-Doh! Okay, I'm done. Oh.
So today we're gonna make some Play-Doh, DIY Play-Doh. Speak up.
Now can we do our intro?
Oh, you wanna do your intro? Alright, show them your intro. Let's go.
Welcome to Jayde Epic Playtime! And we're gonna be making Play-Doh!
Awesome. So let's get started. We're not gonna hold them too much longer. So today we're gonna make homemade Play-Doh. Jay got the salt. KK got salt over there. But let's follow the steps. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So
It's the flour! Hey!
put the cup over there.
Oh, subscribe to my
Over the
channel.
bowl.
It's the best. Go check out the Bobby one.
Put it over
Other
the
one's
bowl.
there.
Over the bowl. Up.
Oh.
So pour a cup for her. Don't worry about the excess.
My daddy's a messy maker.
Alright, pour that in.
My daddy's a messy maker. Pour it in.
Pour that cup in.
Gotta go later.
Yeah, 1 more cup.
2 cups. It looks like a volcano, but with a tiny flat side.
That's about 2 cups.
And now it's glowing. Yeah.
Alright, Jay, let's get your cup.
That's salt.
Put the salt, move the salt over. Don't put the salt in yet.
We need flour. Tiny.
So, put your cup over the bowl.
Then make sure you be careful. That's good. And then
Pour it
now
in.
we pour it in, but don't
Faster, faster, faster.
You gotta make flour go in there.
Alright, so this is the 2nd cup of flour.
We know how to make Play-Doh. Go check out the other one where we made Play-Doh.
Put that aside. So next ingredient would be 3/4 cup salt. So y'all pour your salt in there. Put. Wow. Wow. Bang.
Bang, baby.
So we need 4
God,
4 tablespoons of
So fluffy.
cream of tartar. Alright, hand me the cream of tartar. That's in the middle.
That is right here. Cream of
You
tartar.
need 4. I'm going to go on KK side because there's more room. And guess what? It's not even open yet. Let's turn that around so we can see what we're doing.
It's snowing.
So 4 cups of cream of tartar.
Snowing.
4 tablespoons. I don't know why I said 4 cups. 1.
I have snow. And 2 of cream of tartar.
2.
And 3 of cream of tartar.
3. 1 more scoop.
And 4 of cream of tartar.
So let's get
Tartar.
Jade's.
Gotta put it in.
Let Daddy scoop it a little bit because Daddy's doing an awesome job with scooping.
Good.
So hopefully got enough.
Oh, go check out the Hello Neighbor video when my dad uploads it. It's 600 on feet. Daddy.
Come on.
How much do you have to do?
Alright, good. KK, all
It's the whole thing.
Bang.
KK's looks so much bigger than mine. Yeah, I don't know why. You should.
Because you have a bigger bowl.
Me?
Yes. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, those are from go watch out the pancake guard video when Daddy messed up my pancake.
Bang. I think I'm doing it right.
I like doing this. Play-Doh, Play-Doh, Play-Doh. I'm already mixing mine, so I can make it.
Bang.
Oil, yes, that was right. Oil is next. Now we need some gloves to mix it up.
Yeah, you don't need gloves.
We're going to use it with our bare hands.
Hmm?
We're going to use it with our bare hands.
Mix it.
Okay. Yeah! It feels so weird. Ew. Ew, look at my hands. Ew. Oh. Jelly.
Yeah.
It feels so weird.
Let me see. You gotta whisk it. Whisk it. Whisk it.
Okay.
Whisk it. I think we got
Doing
two.
it fast. We have two. The little one too. See, the little one. Oh gosh. This is so
Mix it. Mix it.
Oh gosh, it smells like Play-Doh already.
Baby whisk.
From my last video. From my first video.
You got a baby one.
I have a big one. Now let's put. Oh, it feels kind of good.
It does?
Yeah, it feels kind of good. I can do it faster than Daddy. Ewy, dewy. It's so dewy. I can do it faster. Look.
Oh my gosh, that's. Did you see any bumps, Jay?
No.
I kind of see bumps.
Me too. And you're making a mess. It smells like Play-Doh.
Oh my gosh, yes, it do.
I love Play-Doh, but I like slime. Go check out Burger King's food. Okay, I'm done. Now let's keep mixing. Fast forward. Okay, my arm hurts.
Alright. You got fully mixed?
Mine is clumpy. Just do it fast. That's easy.
Okay, yes, mine's fully mixed.
Now let's see with our hands.
Yo, it feel kind of soft, right?
Mine isn't, because I need to
Alright,
mix some.
so
I need to mix some more. 1 second.
y'all didn't have to put your hands in it. Just keep mixing. So we're gonna put it in the pot and we're gonna cook it. So I just want to show y'all why they in there. It should be done. Alright, so we stirred in the pot. You see, and it's pretty pretty sticky, so I think it's time to take it off the burner. So this is the result. You put it in the pot and it gets very cooky. So it's actually more than I thought it was going to be, so they can have multiple colored Play-Doh. Not right now because it's daggone hot. Alright, while they putting gloves on, because we need to use food coloring.
Because the potato looks like mashed potatoes. You can give you all the potatoes you want.
We got a Play-Doh.
Potato! We have the mashed potato.
Still a little hot. Alright.
It's burning hot.
It's not burning hot.
Yeah, it's burning hot. It's stretchy too. Ow, 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 ow.
Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. Toss it around, it'll cool down. So we're gonna, y'all give them more than one food color. But like this. So
I like
cool
hot
down.
and stuff.
Oh god.
So it don't burn my hands.
That's-
What's that? It's creepy. It's like Sledrina.
We got dirty Play-Doh now.
Not that dirty. Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. Hi, Papa. We're making mashed potato Play-Doh. Mashed potato. When it's starting to cool down a little bit.
Put one in the corner. Put yours in the corner to hold it down. Go like this. Put it. Push in the middle.
Like this.
Yes. That's put your food color in it.
We can put our food color.
I want to do black.
I want to do pink first.
Actually, I'll do navy blue. And this one, and then that one's mine. Okay, then when you mix it, we have to mix it all up.
I'm gonna get blue again.
I'm doing a lot of navy blue because like I like to be a lot.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, I think I did a lot of navy blue.
Oh yes.
Oh,
Jay,
it's hot.
right here.
Mine's just hot. Wait, you have to mix it together first.
I know it's good,
Stuff
but
together.
I want a meal.
Done. I'm like,
You got pop up in the background. Y'all wonder who that is? Jay,
yeah.
over the parchment paper, please.
Oh, mine's just turning out so good. How's yours turning out? Wait, you're using pink or blue? You use pink and blue.
Yeah. So
I'm going. This one I'm going to use black and blue, and then that one's I'm just going to use black. Whoa! Look at mine.
Well, mine's looks
So
like,
nice.
Mine's so cool.
You gotta squeeze it through.
There's some on my glove.
More.
Okay, I'll add some more.
Yeah, I need more too.
Drop. Drop. Whoa, this is fun.
Mine's kind of turning purple.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I can't see it. This is so much fun.
I'm trying to get
Alright, so
Look, guys. Who are y'all?
do orange. Do
Ooh, an orange color. Kind of pretty.
orange one.
Mine is turning out so good. Wait, can I see? It's turning out like.
candy.
Daddy! You're chipping it. You're chipping it. You're chipping it.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm trying to save the candy. Somebody hit the candy.
Which is on top. But I'm gonna put some coloring on my glove and then put it on. That's it. So ready for it.
Jay, this stinks.
No, it does.
Oh.
I think mine is going to turn so dark. I'll have to change it. I have to use black.
Guys, look at mine.
Let me see. It's turning purple. Mine is navy blue. Mine is turning out so good. It's stretching.
Mine's sky blue. Jay keep on dropping her.
Yeah, Jay drops a lot of stuff.
Daddy.
Drop can't
Do it.
the lamp multiple times.
He just, oh daddy, my daddy make the lamp fall on my head. Remember, KK? Whoa, I'm gonna add one teeny bit.
Look at mine. Mine's
Mine's
so
on
cool.
the food coloring.
Jay, look.
It's so
It's a unicorn.
Oh, wanna make one? I'm gonna use pink too. Okay. We can share, KK.
I know, Jay.
Okay, mine's is done. It's done. Mine's.
Oh my gosh, look at yours.
I'm gonna use.
You're so a dark blue.
Give me a dark navy blue.
Is it navy blue?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna use
I thought
this
it
one now.
So you make kids happy. You agree. Okay.
Add
Black.
some more. Some more.
Jack and Jill went up the hill and kept the bucket of water.
Wow.
Fell down and
That
broke
was
the
so
ground.
cool.
And then he called the doctor. Yours is so pretty. Honey, mix faster. I'm gonna make black.
Wait, that's
later.
black?
Yeah, I'm making black. Later.
Oh, at first I thought that was purple. And then I looked. Mine's
Mine's is
when
gonna
you
be
put
like
on
darkness. Here's a life hack. Put food coloring in your glove.
What kind of food? You broke one of the red one, right?
Yeah. I mean, no, he wanted a navy blue one.
I need another pink.
What's the blue one?
I like this pink.
It's purple.
No, it's red purple.
Mine's is turning out so good.
Mine's-
It looks like the other
Mine's
one.
black. Oh my gosh. Oh, mine's purple.
Well, let's add
Oh.
some smell to ours.
Which one's your brother?
Huh?
Which one you gonna make for your brother?
I'm gonna make it pink blue.
Daddy's orange.
Ooh, what's nice?
That's a light orange and kind of a dark orange.
Yeah. It's so cool.
Jay, I'm just mixing all kinds of colors
I'm adding
because
smell
mine
colors.
is a rainbow Play-Doh. Rainbow.
I'm adding a lot of smell to mine.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna add some chocolate
Ew.
to mine.
I don't want my mouth.
I can't even open it.
How about y'all show them y'all Play-Doh creations?
My Play-Doh creation.
Mine's.
Can't see from there. Back it up from the camera.
Can we
Back up,
see?
Back up.
Yeah,
Back
let
up.
me see.
Back up. Back up. Back up. So
This is what
close.
I'm doing.
Can you see yours?
This is mine. Mine.
I'm still mixing mine. I just had some more wavy food.
I can't even open the chocolate.
Yeah, because it was tiny, no one used to it.
Oh, I love this one.
And now I add some more navy blue.
As y'all see, we just made
It's on the back of my glove.
some
Yes,
Play-Doh.
yes,
So we're gonna
yes.
show y'all how
Play-Doh,
Play-Doh
baby.
and wrap it up. This is Daddy's orange.
This
Take
is
it.
my blue.
Oh, mine is a rainbow one.
I'm gonna make mine.
I'm just
rainbow
making
one
all
too.
kinds of
All
colors.
right.
I'm
See
gonna
you
make
next time.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching Jayde KK Playtime. Subscribe and hit the bell and thumbs up. Bye.
Bye. Say bye, KK.
Bye.
All right. Bye. Peace out from Daddy.
Hey.